Just some few words about our country. Hungary is a little country, but we have a million hectares, and we have almost 2 million hectares, and we have a small fruit and grape area, but it's very important in country. So we have the popular species, the corn and the winter wheat and sunflower, but we have also important plants, rape, soybean, and sorghum and linen. So in the few past years, we have the same problem as the other countries. So we have negative effects in the past, climate change, drought, price increasement, etc. So we need sustainable solutions for this problem. And the Green Deal in the 2030 targets for sustainable food production is a main goal in Hungary. So our company's message is only use chemical if it's necessary, and use it only at the exact location and the precisely required amount. So in this spirit, we have developed some unique methods and case studies, and we would like to share with you right now some of this. Since 2018, we have been working with the DJI systems. So the first drone was MG1P, and we had soon realized that in some cases drone-based plant protection is more effective than traditional ones. We wanted to find out the reason, so our first idea was to measure and compare the landfall ratio on the traditional and drone-based application. It was in a sunflower, so sunflower defoliant application at this measurement. And as you see, thanks to the vortex with the drone, we have only 10.5% landfalling, and the ground machine has 43, almost 43% landfalling. It's a big difference, almost 30% difference. It's a big difference in this field. So the first solution came from this fact. So the first solution and case study was the spot spraying with the drones and using technology to cut herbicide use in half. In Hungary, the Cirsium arvense, it's a very big problem, and we made an application for it, so a solution for it, and we use beta version T20 DJI Agras drone, and as you can see, we optimized the flight path. On the green is where the drone exactly spraying, and the white one is only flew but not spraying. And as you see, the fly path was optimized, and the drone not went to the end of the parcel if it wasn't necessary. So it's a big saving in this case study, because the VRA and the spot spraying together with the drone reach the €50 per hectare saving. but on this field, so it's not an average number. It works on this field. And in 2020, we have an idea. So these unique machines, not only sprayer drone, it may be good for another working, so other works. And we have an idea, maybe we can paint the greenhouses with a shading agent. And as you see, there is a big difference between the painting by labor or the painting by drone. It was twice faster, or maybe more, and 50 to 70% less paint and solvent needed, depending on the material as we used. So a lot more even finished, and the most important is no HSE risk. Unfortunately, in Hungary, in this year, there was a fatal falling accident. A greenhouse owner fall down, and it was tragically. So this is a video, and maybe I can. Before the presentation, we checked it is working. So okay. Yes. Back? Okay. Okay, so here's the video about the job, the paint job as we called, and you can see the difference. It's not only the good 1 square meter, so this is the full difference. The greenhouse owner gave us the little part of the greenhouse, but after this job we got the all greenhouses of this company. So this is a working solution. The third solution after the greenhouse project, the biological plant protection. It's a very special field in Hungary. So we try to spreading Trichogamma west in bio sweet corn against the cotton bollworm and European corn borer named Ostrinia nubiliaris. And we spread it free falling material from planes and drones. It was an interesting work because we spread this west, but on the last summer there was a problem because the weather was too hot, and the west dies before the plant protection. So the wasp producer asked us to develop something that can help to keep alive these little animals. And this was the idea. So we we modified our DJI Spreader 2.0, and it can work with the original RC and app. So the original software and hardware, and even its capsule dropper. So after the development, we use in corn, and it was very efficient. As you see, it needs 100 capsules per hectare, 15 hour per 50 hectare per hour or efficiency, and it's about with a T20. It was 3 hectare per shift per drone, so it was a very efficient work. And the fourth solution is the most interesting, because in 2020, one of our clients witnessed a sudden and intense surge in like a rodent population in their wheat fields, and resulting in unexpected migration that caused severe damage to the crop. So the client immediately asked for a solution to minimize the economic losses. And our partner requested a prompt and accurate drone-based solution, and it was it. We made ortho mosaic photo about the field, and detected the center points of the damaged sites, and then we planned 3D flight paths for the Agras drones, as you see the third picture. So it was a big area, because it was almost 400 hectare, and as you see, we used 3,913 kilograms toxic material, and we saving with this solution almost 14 euros per hectare for the company. Thanks to the fast reaction, precise planning and spreading, most of the winter wheat plants managed to heal and regain potential, resulting in a almost 3 ton per hectare final yield amount. So it's a big thing for us. There is another video. Okay, as you see, the drone made a spot spreading, and it was precisely goes to the exact point and spread the material, as you see. So it was a successful, So it was a successful work, and shows that drones can do more works than just spraying. Conclusion: in Hungary, drone and smart farming solutions are more popular in younger generation, as in Turkey and Brazil. So this is a very important thing. The positive results of the drone-based application slowly but surely spreads. So we are at the start now. I think in Hungary it's true. It is important to teach farmers how to use these machines correctly, and this is our main goal. And not just only selling drones, we sell with a know-how for the farmers and the great know-how, so not an average know-how. And necessary trust in the technology is needed, so we can try everything for this. And in this year, in Hungary, all required licenses can be acquired now, so it's a very big thing. And we have only one chemical, name is Mospilan, and this is the first accepted chemical. Maybe we have more in the future. So we would like to work with this technology. We like to work with the DJI system because it's a very trustable and very efficient for us, these machines, hardwares and softwares. So thank you for your attention, and if you have questions, please tell us and call us. Thank you.